It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with a test
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Hi, good afternoon, one and all. Welcome to Unacademy. Yes, I came up with my next question of the day. This is 11th part. Right? So, today let us discuss about this escalator based questions and also how to deal these escalator based questions with simple logic there, right? So, I'll focus on solving those questions without any formula, right? Today, I'll be focusing on TSD, right? Time, speed, distance questions, and in this I will be focusing on escalator based questions. So let's see, right? Most of the people will get confused regarding this, right? With the relative speed and escalator based question, they think that these two topics are same, but these two topics are not the same one. Right, before start of the class, let me introduce myself. This is NLN Sharma, and these are my scores in different examinations, and these are my credentials. Now, when you use my code NLN10, yes, you'll get 10% discount, and you'll get guidance of all these subjects from me. Now, why me? I am ranked 33 in overall category of GATE ESE and rank 1 in math and chemistry category. I have dealt more than 50,000 plus students till date for CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESE. So many students were asking me, what is the difference between plus and iconic, sir? And what are the advantages when I choose iconic or plus? In iconic, you will be assigned with a personal coach exclusively. How this coach will be helpful? He will be giving you the best study plan. For each and every topic, you will be getting instant specialized notes and practice sets. Study booster sessions will be available. The most important part regarding this personal coach is personalized test analysis. So most of the students complain me this, sir, we have completed the entire syllabus, but we are not able to solve the questions. We are not able to apply the things onto the questions. This is where your coach will be helpful. Each and every test will be analyzed and your mistakes are identified and they are rectified so that your score will be boosted. One more advantage when you choose Iconic, you will be getting one-to-one live mentorship with your mentor and educator so that you can speak with them personally regarding all your difficulties facing and you'll get the best solutions for that regarding your preparation. One more advantage when you choose Iconic subscription, you will be getting access to complete Raudra coding classes so that you can complete all your software courses as a backup for you. So this will be damn helpful for you. Now, of course, whatever you get in Plus, you will get in Iconic also. In Plus, the classes will be on live pattern, which will be in English and Hindi, and you can choose your own courses and batches according to your need. Completely structured, right? Comprehensive courses, crash courses, rank improvement batch, weekly tests are available, quizzes are available. You can access them unlimitedly, right? We never restrict them, right? Now, how much you have to invest? If you are choosing Plus and if you are opting for 24-month subscription, it will be costing you on an average of 65 rupees per day, the lowest, where you will get India's the best educators to teach for you. Now, when you use my code NLN10, yes, you'll get my guidance and my entire group guidance right from Bhima sir, Vishal sir, Negi sir, right finally to me. And you will get 10% discount. After 10% discount, the price will be 46,728 for 24 months. For 12 months, it will be 32,126 after discount. And this is for 18 months. And we have introduced one more subscription, 9 months, those who are aiming at GATE 2023. So this will be a perfect set for GATE 2023 aspirants. Do try to subscribe and you will get 10% discount on this 9-month subscription rate when you use my code NLN10. And for Iconic, the price is 55,886 after discount when you use my code NLN10 for 12 months. And this is for 18 and 24 months. Of course, we are offering you, right? If you buy for 9 months, you'll be getting extra 2 months, 12, 3 extra, 18, 4 extra, and 24, 4 extra, right? So those who are aiming at less time and more, less price and more time for your subscription, do try to subscribe for this using with my code NLN10. Okay, check. And we are offering physical notes for GATE Iconic subscribers, which is prepared by topmost educators in India. Right? Do try to subscribe to Iconic and get the best content from us. And everybody know there is a price hike coming soon. So do try to subscribe before the price hikes. Yes. So chalo. I will explain you one question in detail because this question has many layers. If you can understand this question, automatically you can solve any question regarding escalators, right? I will solve this in detail. Next question you solve, right? I'll be giving you some 2 minutes for you to solve the next question. Observe the question carefully there. Golu was going up. He is going up, it seems, in an upward moving escalator. Took 10 seconds to reach the top. I'll denote it as a diagram. So for time, speed, distance based questions, do try to represent the question in a diagram. That will be very, very helpful. Let us suppose take this is a escalator beta. Second. Let us suppose this is an escalator. Now kya hua? Escalator is also moving up. So I'll draw the arrow mark like this. Escalator is moving up. Now this is Golu. Now Golu is moving down or moving up? So Golu is also moving up. Okay. Now how much time did he take to reach the top of the escalator? 10 seconds. Now ab dekho bhai, is escalator helping him or not helping him to move up? Escalator is also moving up. He is also going up the escalator, going up in a moving up escalator, right? So escalator is helping him, not at all. It is helping him. Am I right or wrong? Got my point there. So I'll write down the point. The time taken to reach the top of the escalator is 10 seconds. It seems. Matlab ab dekho, Now Golu has some speed, right? I'll write down SG is nothing but Golu speed. Now I'll write down this one E speed, right? Ab dekho, speed of Golu is 5 steps per second, it seems. So the speed of Golu is given as 5 steps per second. I'll write down the point here. Okay, so this is escalator speed. Escalator speed will be having E steps per second because it is not given there. Okay, I'll write down here. Chalo. Now, please let me know what is the total number of steps on the escalator, right? So this is what the question asked. Dekho. Polo, who was coming down in the same escalator. I'll draw one more escalator here, right? So I'll write down in writing. Polo. Now Polo will be moving up on the same escalator. See here, Polu who was coming down, it seems. Now see here, Polu is coming down. Escalator is moving up only. Upward moving escalator only, it seems. Carefully observe it. This is Polu. Took 5 seconds, right? Time taken by Polu is nothing but equal to 5 seconds. Whatever I write down in writing is regarding Polu. Blowing is regarding Polu. Now Polu speed will be, speed of Polu will be how much? 13 steps per second. Now everybody know escalator is moving up and escalator speed is E steps per second. Done. Now let me know, Golu was coming back down in the same upward moving escalator, it seems. Observe the point that as Golu started the downward journey, the escalator stopped working after 5 seconds. If Golu had to walk down the remaining steps without the escalator moving, how much time will he take to reach the end after the escalator stopped is the question. First of all, I have to know how many number of steps are there on the escalator. That I will find out there. Number of steps is nothing but equal to distance. I'll write down D. Distance is nothing but equal to speed into time. Now what is speed of Golu? 5 steps per second. How much time did he take to reach the top of the escalator? 10. Now Dekho, you said that escalator is helping him. Yes, it is helping him. Now see here, escalator also you have to calculate for 10 seconds only. Escalator moves with E steps per second for 10 seconds, right? Now completely this will be equal to 50 plus 10E. Perfectly right. Let's come to the second scenario. Here also distance is equal to D, same escalator now, right? Let us suppose, so what is the thing there? Polu speed is 13 steps per second and he took 5 seconds to reach the top. Now is escalator helping him or not helping him? Not helping him, right? Both are moving in opposite directions. So I have to subtract it. Am I right or wrong? Because it is not helping him, it is moving against him, right? Minus. So how much time? For 5 seconds with the speed of E for 5 seconds the same. So this will be equal to how much? 65 minus 5E. Now you closely observe there, these two equations are equal because both are same escalators. So I can equate this two entities, right? 50 plus 10E is nothing but equal to how much was 65 minus 5E. So finally this 5E will go on to the right hand side, will become 15E. 65 minus 50 will be 15. So my E value will be his how much? 1 step per second. Am I right or wrong? Yes. So my E value will be equal to 1. So if my E value is 1 and I have to satisfy both the equations. Now how much will be this distance value there? Is it 65? No, see 1. 60 steps. Am I right or wrong? 60 steps. Now will the same answer will be applicable in the second equation also? Let's check there. Yes. 65, now dekho E value is 1, so automatically 60, and so your escalator will be having how many steps? 60 steps it seems. Now come to the next part there. As Golu started the downward journey, now dekho again I'll write down here, this is an same escalator which is moving upwards only, not downwards. I'll draw the diagram there. This escalator is moving upwards only, Golu is moving downwards. Let's suppose take, I'll write down like this. Now escalator speed is already, you know, this is 1 step per second. Golu speed also, you know, it is how much? Is it 10 or 5? It's 5 steps per second. Now see here. The escalator stopped working after 5 seconds, it seems. Okay, done. Now I'll write down the point there. Golu with a speed of 5 traveled for 5 seconds here, 5 into 5. So see here, escalator is moving opposite, so I have to subtract it. So for 5 seconds, with a speed of 1 steps per second, escalator will be opposing Golu. So totally how many steps did Golu travel? 20 steps. 25 minus 5. So totally this escalator contains how many steps? 60 steps. Am I right or wrong? In this 60 steps, without the help of escalator, I mean, when escalator is working, he traveled 20 steps. Now, how many steps are remain? 40 steps. This 40 steps has to be traveled by Golu himself because escalator stopped working. If Golu had to walk down the remaining steps without escalator moving, escalator speed will be 0 without moving means. How much time will he take to reach the end after the escalator stop? After the escalator stop, it seems. So the remaining steps has to be traveled by Golu with his speed only. His speed is 5. So 40 steps divided by 5 steps per second. So this is the time taken. Am I right or wrong? So what is the time taken there? Is it 8 seconds? So did you got the thing there? Those who can draw the diagram perfectly, bolo beta, right? Nobody can stop you. You can solve this question very easy. Not 8 seconds, right? It is time asked 8 seconds. This is your answer there. Perfectly done. Right? In the same way, right? So when escalator and person are moving in same direction, escalator is helping him. When escalator and person are moving in opposite direction, escalator is not helping him, right? It is stopping him, right? A friction is happening there. Not friction exactly, right? It is moving against the direction of the person, right? Now, as I have solved this, I am expecting you guys to solve the same type of question. I'll be giving you 2 minutes. Try this. Any answers for this? आराम से देखो. Thirty seconds more. Any answer for this? No? How many of you got this? Again, observe the question carefully. Ramu is moving up on an escalator which is going upwards. It takes him 45 steps to reach the first floor. The steps taken by him is 45. That doesn't mean that escalator has 45 steps. Ravi is also moving up the same escalator. And it takes him 60 steps to reach the first floor. observe it, right? How can an escalator have two different steps when the escalator is same? Means these are the steps taken up by the persons there. Now, if for every 3 steps taken by Ram, Ravi takes 5 steps at same time, then what is the number of visible steps on the escalator? See here, when time is constant, everybody know your distance is directly variable to speed. Everybody know about this, right? Now see here, Ram takes 3 steps. Ravi takes the same time. Ravi takes 5 steps. Now I can consider this as Ram's speed and Ravi's speed, right? In the same given time, if Ram takes 3 steps, Ravi will take 5 steps. This will be the speed of the things there. Now I'll write down the data. See here. Now this is the escalator there. Right, and is going upwards. Escalator is also moving upwards. Ram is also moving upwards. Do we know the escalator speed? No, we don't know about the escalator speed. I'll write down E steps per second. Now, what is the total distance traveled by Ram? Ram's speed is 3 steps per second. 3 means I'll take down 3 because there is no common factor. Now I can take down 3 easily. Now what I will do is I'll write down the total distance traveled. Distance traveled D is equal to, and everybody know what is the Ram, 45 steps. Now this 45 steps, how much time did he take? 45 divided by 3. 3 ones are 15 seconds. Am I right or wrong? So time taken by Ram is 15 seconds to travel the first floor. So in those 15 seconds, with a speed of E, how much escalator moved? This is what I have to find out. I'll write down in red ink regarding Ravi. The same escalator, I need not draw the diagram there. So speed of Ravi is nothing but equal to 5 steps per second. Now automatically, what is the time taken by Ravi to travel to the first floor? Is it 12 seconds? Yes, because 60 by 5. So 60 by 5 is nothing but equal to 12. Now finally, can I write down like this? So distance traveled by total number of visible steps on the escalator. So 60 plus escalator will move with the speed of E for 12 seconds in this scenario, right? 12 into E. I can equate this both equations, both entities, right? So 45 plus 15E. 45 plus 15E is nothing but equal to 60 plus 12E. Now see here, 12E will come to this side, will become 3E. 60 minus 45. Is it 15? Yes, it is 15. And E value is nothing but equal to 5 steps per second. Perfectly done. Now can you find out the total number of visible steps on the escalator? Yes, you can find out. Substitute E here. 5. 15 5s are 75. 75 plus 45 will be 120. Will I get the same answer there? Yes. E value is 5. 12 5s are 60. 60 plus 60 is nothing but equal to 120. And the number of visible steps on the escalator will be equal to 120 steps. So see here, there is no concept of relative speed here, right? You must not use the concept of relative speed here. Aram se dekho, right? When two bodies are moving, the relative speed between those two objects will be S1 minus S2. But here we have to add here, right? Both the speeds will act him to move fast. Right? Observe the difference between escalator based questions and this one, right? So do try to solve in the same process. You can solve each and every question very easily. Sure. So let's go for the next one. Now, again, I want to discuss regarding this averages. As I said in the pre-class, before the start of the class only, I want to discuss regarding averages, right? The sequence and series. So every year there might be a question in the examination, right? Because since past 10 years, 8 years, there is a question on the sequence and series. So most of the people try to solve the question by solving the entire equation, which is so time consuming, and we don't need that. Am I right or wrong? There is no such case called proving the question there. The aim is to solve the question within less time. Observe this question. If you solve this entire equation, at least 5 to 6 minutes are wasted. And if anything goes wrong, automatically entire thing will be gone wrong. Observe there, if A1, A2, so on are in arithmetic progression, it seems, then 1 by root of A1 plus root of A2 plus something at last finally one equation is given there is equal to, it seems. So this series contains some n terms. Let us suppose take my series contains only one term. So my n value is equal to 1. If my n value is equal to 1, so my series must contain only this value. Am I right or wrong? Please let me know. Yes, my series must contain only this value, 1 by root of A1 plus root of A2. So finally check your options, substitute 1 wherever you get this one answer, and this is your answer there. And you closely observe there, your second option is in the same pattern there. Yes or no? N value is equal to 1 divided by root of A1. In the place of n, you have to substitute 1, which is 8. This is my answer there. I don't want to prove anything, right? So why to prove? So proofs are not at all necessary, right? So going in a better approach is very comfortable to solve the questions easily. As I have tried this, I want you guys to try the next question, right? How to make it as easy as possible. So our answer, right? So it is not that easy as likewise what you have seen in the previous slide. आप देखा ना previous question, ये question इतना easy नहीं था. So you have to little bit focus on the question there more. You have to crack the pattern there. Then only you can answer the things there. So in my comprehensive course on YouTube and also plus, मैं एक बात बोला, right? You cannot remember each and every super series and you cannot remember each and every technique. So some people solve the question chutki in 10 seconds and say that use this technique. So kitna technique you can remember there. That's not a so best way to solve the things there. So keep remember only three things: sum of n natural numbers, sum of n squares, sum of n cubes. Try to write down the series in these three formats or combination of these formats, right? Use BODMAS rules. That's it. This is my way of solving a question there. Any answers regarding this? Yes. Shall we solve it? Yes. Now observe the pattern there. First of all, there are 8, 4, 3, 6 steel balls, each with a radius of 1 centimeter, stacked in a pile with one ball on the top. So let us write, I'll write down like this, one ball on the top, it seems. 36, yes, it is 36 correct here. 36 is correct. Now what's your logic there? And the next one there are 3, it seems, and the next one there are 6, it seems, and the next one there are 10. Automatically up they go, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10. Next will be 15, next will be 21, so on up to 8 4 3. Now what is the pattern here? Is it arithmetic progression? No. Is it geometric progression? No. It is harmonic? No. Harmonic means decreased values must be there? No. Then how to crack this pattern? मैंने बोला ना, right? You know 3 things: Sum of natural numbers, sum of squares, sum of cubes. Are these sum of natural numbers? No. It means AP. Sum of squares? No. Sum of cubes? No. Shall we take any combination of that? Chalo, I'll take down like this. If it is working out, let's check it. So I'll take down like this, n plus n square. Let us see this. Let us suppose take if n is equal to 1. N is equal to 1 plus 1 square. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. So can I take down like this? Let us check it. Will it is it working out? Can I bolana right? If n is equal to 1, what will be the answer there? 1 plus 1, 2 divided by 2, 1. If n is equal to 2, then what happens? Check there. N is equal to 2, n square 4, 6 by 2, it is 3. Yes. If n is equal to 3, 3 plus 3, 9, 12 by 2, 6. Yes, it is working out. But this value is giving only the individual value of the expression. Only individual value of the expression. But we need sum of this value there. So automatically, what shall I do there? I have to sum this. Done. Now, chalo, everybody know. So I'll take down 1 by 2, 1 by 2 outside into sigma of n plus sigma of n square is equal to how much here? Is it 8436? Yes, it is 8436. So I'll write down the value there, then later on we'll check it. Sigma of n is nothing but equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. What is sigma n square? Sum of n squares. N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6 is equal to 8436. So what I will do is, what I can take common, I can take n into n plus 1 as common. I can take 2 as common, so I'll write down directly this as 4. Now what is left over there? Here 1 is left over, because here 2n plus 1 divided by 3 is left over, is equal to 8436. Now closely observe there, I will change this equation. 3 plus 3 plus 1, 4, 2n plus 4. So can I write down this bracket value like this? So see here, I'll write this bracket value. I can write down this as 2n plus 4 divided by 3. Will you accept with me? Yes. So this will completely become 12. So can I write down directly as n into n plus 1. Now see this 2n plus 4. I can write down this as 2 into n plus 2 divided by 3. So this 2 and 4 will get cancelled. Finally, my equation will become like this one. N into n plus 1 into n plus 2 is equal to, now 2 3s are 6, na 8, 4, 3, 6 into 6 will be the equation there. And they go this 8, 4, 3, 6 into 6, the last unit digit has to end with 6. And you can check the options easily and you can solve the question there. Observe there, if I write down 34 there, this will be 34, this will be 35, this will be 36. 34 into 35, the number will end with 0, so this will be not your option. Your answer has to end with 6. 38 into 39 into 40, number ends with 0, no. 36 into 37 into 38, up they go, 36 into 37 into 38. 6 7s are 42. 8 2s are 16. Yes, number is ending with 6. There is a chance, right? This is an answer. 32 into 33 into 34. 2 3s are 6. 6 4s are 24. No, here it number is ending with 4. This is not your answer, and this is your answer. So, how did I have done this? Perfect. Perfect, right? Second beta. Right. Second. Clear? Sure. Let's solve the next one. Now I want you guys to answer this question here. Giving you 2 minutes. Aram said, I gave the formula in the question itself. You have to just apply the formula and find out the ratios there. That's it. Okay. Chalo, what's the question there? The density of a material is defined as mass of the material divided by volume of the material. So I'll do this. So density formula is given there, mass by volume. What is the question asked? The densities of three liquids. I'll write down this liquids, my A, B, C. So as they are given in ratios, I'll take a common factor called X there. So I'll write down density values as D. The density value is X for A, 2X for B, 3X for C. Three different masses of ABC which are in the ratio. Now these are in the ratio and these ratios doesn't match, so I have to take a separate common factor. I'll take down Y. This is M mass. So this is 2Y, this is 3Y, this is 5Y. Right. Are mixed, then the ratio of overall density of the new mixture to the density of B. First of all, let's find out the overall density of the mixture. Overall density D, DO, overall density is DO. So mass by volume, I have to find out first of all volume here. I'll find out volume here, then I will come back, right? Volume is nothing but equal to mass by density. Mass by density means 2y by x, either 3y by 2x, either 5y by 3x. So you got the clarity there. Now I will find out this total density of this one there, right? Total mass is how much more? 2y plus 3y plus 5y. Total it is 10y divided by, see here what I will do is I have to find out density here means volume. Now volume is 2y by x, so I'll take a directly I'll calculate this so that we can get more clarity there. So the LCM will be 6x. Am I right or wrong? Yes. So how much will be there? X 6 2s are 12. So 12y plus either 3x, 3 3s are 9y. Now here 3 2 for 10y divided by 6x. Finally, what will be the value there? 6x This is 10y na. 6x into 10y divided by 12 plus 10, 22, 22 plus 31y. Am I right or wrong? So y gets cancelled off. So this value will be equal to 60x by 31. So to the density of B, it seems density of B is how much, ma? Is it 2x? Yes, it is 2x. So finally, what will be my answer there? Overall density is mass by volume, na? So overall density, okay, fine. So this will be answer is 60x by 31 is equal is ratio to, find the ratio is 2x. So x gets cancelled, 2 1s are 2 30s are, so the ratio will be how much? 30 is to 31, and this is your answer there. How many of you got the answer there? So just representation of the given question, automatically you will get the answer perfectly. Hope so clear. Chalo. So I'm expecting this is an easy question. Already I gave you the basics of averages in the previous class itself, as this is 11th class. Let's see how many can solve this. Any answer for this? That's an easy question here. Average marks scored by a class of 30 students in a math test was 74. And everybody know this 74 is nothing but the value distributed to all 30 students equally. That's called average. But after updating the answer key, the answer of one question was changed. This resulted in 20 students getting 4 additional marks, it seems. So 20 into 4 additional marks means totally 80 marks was added to the sum. And again, kya hua, right? 10 students getting 2 marks deducted. 10 students got 2 marks deducted means minus 2 marks. So this is minus 20. So totally, is it positive or negative? Yes, totally positive. 60 marks was added to the sum. Now this 60 marks has to be equally distributed to all the students there. This is what called our average there. 60 marks to 30 students means, I hope so you got the 2 each and every one. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. This is what your average there. Previously it was 74. Now you have given 2 to average, right? 2 added to the average. And the answer is 76. What is the new average score of the class? Is it the answer 76? I used the simple basic and solved the question there. Hope so I'm clear, right? Chalo, right? Let's solve the next one. This one I am expecting you guys to answer, right? Largest possible number of the set, it seems, right? Try this, one of the best question here. Any answer for this? So the question there, the average of a set of positive integers, right? Everybody know that on an integer scale there will be 0, positive and negative. Is 79. Positive matlab you have to eliminate 0 and negative and you have to answer only positive values there. If the integer 107, which is also present in the set, is removed, the average is reduced by 2, it seems. Okay, then what can be the largest possible number in the new set is the question asked. Let us suppose take, right, simple average I'll take down as SA. SA value is given as 79. Let us suppose take number of terms as n. So what will be the sum value there? Sum value will be 79n. Let's check. I'll write down reading the next value. Now see here, from this sum 79n. So what you have done, you have removed 107. By this kya hua, right? Your simple average is reduced by 2, means previously 79, now it is 77. Okay. Now I want to find out the number of, so this is not 79 ma, 79n. 79n. Okay, done. So what can be the largest possible number? Now see, can I write down like this? 79n minus 107 divided by number of terms will be how much? Previously there are n terms, now there will be n minus 1 term, is equal to 77. Please let me know yes or no regarding this. Perfectly right. Now let's come to the next. I'll solve this, right? 79n minus 107 is equal to 77n. Right, now 77. This will become 2n. Now 107 will become, right? So 107 minus 87, 97, 30, right? So n value will be how much? 15. Now this is your initial number of terms now. Presently, how many number of, what can be the largest possible number in the new set? In the new set, there are n minus 1 terms. Already your n value is 15, sorry. This is 15. So your n minus 1 value will be 14. Okay. Now there are 14 terms in the new set. Those 14 terms ka sum batao bhai. So 77 into 14, calculate it and let me know. 77 into 14 is 1078. Yes. So this ka sum. So n value is 14 now. And now sum value is 1078. Now ab dekho, I can, so minimum. If one number has to be maximum possible, the another number has to be minimum possible. Am I right or wrong? So the minimum possible number that I can give is 1. So what I will do is in those 14 numbers, 13 numbers, I will take down 1. So the sum will be 13 here. And this will be the 14th number. What will be the 14th number? Once remove 13 there. So 1078, 1065. And अब देखो, this is your largest possible number in this given set. So how many of you got this idea to solve this? I hope so. I'm clear in solving this. Perfectly done. Clear? Done. Chalo, let's see one more question here. Oh, this is the last question, huh? Did I missed out any question in the previous class that I want to discuss with you? Yes, I missed out this question now. Geometry wala. I'll deal this question and then I'll end the section there. Okay? In a triangle X, Y, Z. This is what in the previous class I missed out this question there to help you. So one student asked me in the Telegram group also. So to discuss this question, I'll do this. In a triangle X, Y, Z, the perpendicular bisectors of XY and XZ meet in a point called W, it seems. If WZY, okay, WZY and WYZ. So this is X, this is Y, this is Z. And you closely observe there, these are perpendicular bisectors, it seems. So perpendicular bisector to XY, this is perpendicular bisector to XY. This is perpendicular bisector to X. Right? Done. Closely observe there. This is the, so see here, this point might end at vertex, might not end at vertex. Now, perpendicular bisector ka meaning kya tha, right? Can anybody say? I'll write down here. Perpendicular bisector ka meaning, right? Let us suppose that this is a line segment and this line segment is second there. It can be from vertex, it can be on a quadrilateral, it can be on a triangle whatsoever, right? It might start at vertex, might not start at vertex, right? So observe the difference there. Focus on this. So this perpendicular bisector might end at Z, might not end at Z, right? At the vertex. That's not a rule. Now WZY. Now this is Z. WZ. Now this is W, it seems. WZY value is how much? 35. WYZ value is 35, it seems. Okay, fine. By this WYZ is a triangle. Now how much will be this value? This value will be 110. Am I right or wrong? Yes. So see here, what I will do is, I'll draw a circle around this here. Yeah. Now you can easily observe this. Now, is it a circumcircle? Yes, perfectly it is a circumcircle. Or otherwise, right, I can take down like this, right? Observe this. WY is nothing but radius of the circle. WZ is radius of the circle. Yes, you should accept this. Now, this is nothing but called central angle. Angle made by the radius of the circle at the center of the circle, right? Central angle. Now what is XY and XZ? XY and XZ are nothing but chords, and these two chords are meeting on the circumference of the circle, and the angle made by the chords on the circumference of the circle will be exactly half of the central angle by inscribed angle theorem. How many of you know this? Inscribed angle theorem is nothing but equal to 55 degrees. That's it. Your answer is over, right? So if you know the properties, you can solve the question fatafat and easily. Yeah. Done. So every day I'll be coming up with some 5 to 6 questions every day, right? I'll not take more than 35 to 40 minutes of your time. So I hope so I'm clear, right? As you all know, I deal with CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESE category. If you wish me as your guide, you can use my code NLN10 for plus subscription. You can use my code NLN10 for iconic subscription. Yes, you can unlock combats, right? Daily combats or weekly ultra combats with my code NLN10 so that you can get at least 25 to 100% discount based upon the score. You can unlock my free classes on Unacademy using with my code NLN10. And the price for plus for 12 months will be 32,126 after discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 and 24 months. And as I said, that we have introduced a 9-month subscription there. Those who are aiming at exactly GATE 2023 will be helpful for this. And for iconic, for 12 months, the price will be 55,886 after discount when you use my code NLN10. This is for 18 and 24 months. Right? And right, as I said, there is a price hike coming soon. And this is the offer right now what we are giving. You will be giving extra 2 months for 9 months, 3 for 12, 4 for 18 and 24 months. Do try to subscribe before the price hikes and using with my code NLN10. And regarding any doubts, right? So those are aiming at only test series, right? You can go with light subscription, right? Where you will get full length mocks, right? Quizzes and all those things, test series. Of course, if you have any doubt, you need not wait for anyone. Unacademy has an extraordinary wing called Unacademy Ask a Doubt. Right? Click the picture of that question, crop it, upload in doubts and solutions, select your preferred language, get the video solution within minutes, and you can ask 3 doubts at a time. And do try to join my special classes where I am dealing campus placement strategy sessions. Right now, the campus placements are at very good level. So my strategies will be damn surely helpful, right? So every day, do try to unlock, and we can have more interaction there, right? It's a gamified and electrifying environment, right? And do try to join this Telegram group so that you'll get updates of all the courses regarding all the educators, right? And please do try to hit the like button, share my classes if you like it so that I can reach to more number of audience. Subscribe to the channel, download the PDF and hit the bell icon. Thank you and have a nice day.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test.
And battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now. It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now. It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.